What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section of the videos. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram. I also do not invest money for my subscribers. So please be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want up to 12 free stocks, Webull is going to give you up to 12 free stocks when you open a new Webull brokerage account. Put at least 1 penny in that account. They're going to give you 12 stocks. Guys, at the end of this video, if you're interested in that offer, go down and click on that link in the description box of the video. Sign up for Webull. Open up your new account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. Well, guys, yesterday was a small setback in our wealth building process. Well, I guess some of us can look at it as a small setback, but others of us can look at it as an opportunity. And I'm one of those people that want to look at it as an opportunity. See, when Fed Chair Jerome Powell made his comments yesterday at Jackson Hole, that actually triggered a sell-off in the market yesterday. But I'm telling you, man, the sell-off was an opportunity, honestly. See, when I think about what's happening right now and this really great wealth transfer, I think about all the people out there who, if they look at what happened yesterday in the market as an opportunity, what type of wealth that they will be building. It's going to be tremendous, man. And I don't want you guys to miss out on that. You got to be able to see the forest even with the trees in the way, right? And a lot of people see it the other way. They can't see the forest because of the trees in the way. You got to flip that script. We got to flip that script, right? So let's look at what happened yesterday in the market sell-off as a buying opportunity and not as something that will deter us from investing in the stock market. Again, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a guy who understands how these cycles work in the stock market, right? Because I've been doing it for a while. I built my wealth partly by investing in the stock market over time, right? No matter if the stock market was in good times or bad times, I just continued to dollar cost average in. And over time, I was able to build wealth through that discipline and consistency and that patience. And I think you can do the same thing, right? But let's talk a little bit about this opportunity. Because again, I believe this is the greatest opportunity to transfer wealth from the stock market in our lifetime. I still believe that. So let's look at one specific investment in the stock market. Let's look at Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF VOO. The low for that stock price in 2022 was around $334 a share. The high for that stock price in 2022 was around $385 a share, right? And that was on Friday, prior to Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell making his comments. Now, once he made his comments at Jackson Hole, And those comments basically said that the Federal Reserve was going to be hawkish on inflation, right? They were going to do whatever it took to bring back price stability into our economy. And that sent shockwaves through the markets, and investors sold off positions. But even with the sell-off, it wasn't a huge sell-off. Because like I said, VU started at $3.85 a share and closed at $3.72 a share. So that wasn't a big sell-off, guys. Not at all. Now, the three major indexes, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the S&P 500, and the NASDAQ all closed about 3% lower, right, than where they started the day. So, yeah, was a sell-off, but it wasn't a major sell-off. You know, if you're reading the headlines, you would think, oh my goodness, this was doomsday, but it wasn't. Why? Because investors got no other choice, man. These guys and gals who work for these institutions that take in money and invest money for their clients, they got to make money at some point, guys. They can't just continue to sit on the sideline. That's what I keep telling you guys over and over. They got to be in the market, man, because that's where they make their money. So they sold off some of their positions, but not a lot. It wasn't a huge sell-off. I don't think anybody was surprised that Fed Chair Jerome Powell was going to be hawkish on the economy and trying to get inflation down. I don't think anybody was surprised at that, because if you listen to some of the other Federal Reserve policymakers, right, you would have already known that that was the direction he would have to go anyways, right? So I think the market knew that, investors knew that, institutional investors do that. So they didn't sell off much. They sold off a little bit, but not much. See, I still believe there'll be another rally this year, a pretty good rally in the stock market this year before the end of the year. I think it will be. But I think right now is a great opportunity for us to reassess our investment strategy, make sure we're investing in the things that will build wealth for us long term. One of the stocks I like is Tesla. You guys know that. Tesla had a 3-to-1 split earlier last week. And guess what, man? Tesla closed on Friday at $289 a share, guys. Listen, man, if you're not considering buying Tesla right now, I'm not sure what you're doing. And I know Tesla's at $289 a share. And for some of you guys, you're saying, Richard, I can't afford to buy Tesla at $289 a share. Listen, man, you don't have to buy Tesla at $289 a share. If you go down to the description box and click on that Webull link and open up that Webull account, you can buy fractional shares of Tesla. You can buy $5 worth of Tesla. You can buy $10 worth of Tesla. You can buy $100 worth of Tesla. So Tesla's stock is attainable for everybody, as long as you use a fractional share trading investing app like Webull, right? So my point is, that is a great company to start thinking about. I remember in 2020 when Tesla split 5-to-1. I think the per share price after the split was in that sub $400 range. It might have been a little bit less than $400 a share. But 15 months after that split, guys, Tesla was trading at about $1,300 a share. End of 2021, December 2021, it was trading at $1,200 to $1,300 a share range. 15 months after it split 5-to-1. So it goes from the low 400s all the way up to a $1,300 per share price. That's how you build wealth, guys. So my point is, there are a lot of great examples of that out there in the market. Tesla's just one of them. And I love Tesla, because right now, if you do your research and you feel like it's right for you, it's right for me, because at $289 a share, guys, that is insane. I still think by the end of the year, by December 31st, 2022, I still think Tesla will be trading at $600 a share. That's what I'm telling you. I think that's the one you hang your hat on, right? And again, guys, I'm not trying to be your financial advisor. I'm not telling you to go out and buy Tesla. I'm just telling you, do your homework, man. If you want to build wealth, this is the greatest opportunity of a lifetime to do it. So don't sit on the sideline and be scared and listen to all these financial channels and all these financial YouTubers and all this stuff and get scared. Just look at the numbers, man. Look at the numbers and make a decision that you're going to do whatever you need to do in order to improve your financial situation for your family. Now, of course, don't be putting money in the stock market that you need short term. Don't do that. Don't try to speculate and, oh, Richard Fain said, you know, if I put my money in Tesla, I'm going to double my money. No, Richard Fain is not telling you that. What I'm telling you is look at your financial plan, look at your income level, look at the money you have to be able to invest to build wealth if that's what you want to do, and then put Tesla on the short list, right? Put Tesla on the short list. You got many other tech companies out there that you can put on that short list as well. Apple is one of them. I think Apple closed at around $160, $161 a share on Friday. Again, Apple was down. Apple was up in that 173, 174 range at one point earlier in the week. So it closed slightly down. But Apple's low this year has been, I don't know, in the 130s. So it has gained some ground from earlier this year, but it's nowhere near its historic all-time highs, right? Same with Meta, Facebook, same thing. Facebook has made some gains in the last couple of months, but it's nowhere near its historical highs from 2021. Not even close. My point is, man, there's a lot of opportunity out there because I get questions all the time. Richard, what's out there? Guys, I'm telling you, you can't go wrong with, in my opinion, consider Tesla, consider Apple, consider Meta, consider Microsoft, Amazon. Amazon had their big 20-to-1 split earlier this year. You know, you can buy Amazon for that around $200 a share, basically. Again, Amazon was a $3,000 a share stock at one point, guys, in its history, and not that long ago. It was a $3,000 per share stock. So just understand, guys, there's opportunity out there. Let's not sit around and be pessimistic. Let's be optimistic. Let's look at what happened on Friday at Jackson Hole from Fed Chair Jerome Powell's comments. Let's look at that as a buying opportunity, not as a selling opportunity, right? Oh, I'm getting ready to sell. No. If you want to build wealth, man, you're going to need assets to build wealth. And stock market investing is one of them, right? So keep that in mind, man. Let's look at this as a buying opportunity. Let's not look at this as a selling opportunity. I still think we got one more stock market rally we're going to have, man, before the end of the year. I think it's going to be in the fourth quarter of 2022. In my opinion, it's going to happen. So I'm just building up, man. I'm just buying, right? Every red day, buying. Period. Every red day, buying. Just building up the war chest. Every red day, buying, man. And I would tell you guys, figure out your strategy and just stay on course, man. Stay on course. Have a long-term hold pattern, because we're going to need to hold these stocks. We're going to need to hold these companies for a while, right? We're going to need to hold them for 3, 5, 10 years. But that's okay. Nothing wrong with that. That's how you build wealth, man. It takes time to build wealth, guys. It just don't happen overnight, right? It takes time. Drop me some comments, man, down in the comment box and let me know what you think about this being a buying opportunity instead of a selling opportunity, because I've gotten that question. Is it time to sell? I see things are going. No, it's time to sell when you want to sell. Let me clarify that. You sell whenever you want to sell. But if you're trying to build wealth through the stock market and you haven't reached your wealth goals, why would you sell? That's all I'm saying, guys. Let's go back to what you're trying to get accomplished, man. And that will help you out, right? Just go back to what you're trying to get accomplished. If you want up to 12 free stocks from Webull, man, go down to the description box and click on that link. Open up that new Webull account today. Go get that free stock, go get that free money. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness, never stop believing in yourself, and I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Peace.
Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.